The Big Hole Valley is a big deal. Working ranch lands, big mountains, big fish. The free-flowing Big Hole River is a blue ribbon trout fishery that stretches over 150 miles and is home to the rare Arctic grayling. The watershed spans 2 million acres from high mountain headwaters to high desert valleys. Water is the lifeblood of our communities, and for 26 years, the Big Hole Watershed Committee has led Homegrown Solutions to keep the water clean and abundant. We bring people together to manage our resources for all users. We glue together partnerships and funding to restore degraded systems so that we can all benefit from cold, clean, and abundant water in the Big Hole. Now you can play a role in conserving this valuable place. Give back through partner businesses where you see this logo, or text Big Hole to 26989. Future generations and the river, thank you.